Happy Sunday, you guys. I hope you're doing well. So today we are back at CVS for a brand new CVS sales ad. This one should be good for 2 weeks, starting on August 2nd, which is today, Sunday. This 2-week ad, it's got a lot of repeated deals for personal care, a lot of the same stuff that we've seen, like Axe and Garnier Fructis, like all those same repeated deals. But we do have a pretty good spend 30, get 10 laundry care and home care deal, including a lot of different P&G products and some other household brands as well. So I'm going to come up with a couple of scenarios to show you guys. One of them is actually a really low net cost with some high value digital coupons. So really excited about that. We also have some gain deals where they're on sale for $9.99 with high value digital coupons as well. So excited to show you guys some of those scenarios as well if you guys are into gain. Super good deals for the spend 30 get 10. I'm really excited that that is back this week. And then like always, with the start of a brand new 2-week ad, I will be doing a rolling extra care bucks video. So you can look out for a preview of that in my receipt breakdown. I'll be showing you what I picked up and how I rolled my extra care bucks starting from essentially nothing. Like if you started from nothing, how much would you pay in your first transaction? How much would you pay in each following transaction? And what would be your final out-of-pocket cost and final net cost if there's any rebates? So I have been posting those for the past many months, and I'm going to continue to do that, especially on the first week of the 2-week ad. And usually what I do is I find deals that are good for the entire 2-week period, or as much of it as possible, so that it's good for as long as possible. And I always post those short form rolling extra care bucks true out of pocket cost videos here on my YouTube shorts. So make sure you're always checking out for my YouTube shorts and you're subscribed with the notifications turned on so you always get those. But I will have a preview of that in the receipt breakdown where I show you what I ended up picking up for that rolling extra care bucks video, and hopefully we'll have that edited and have my intro filmed and up tomorrow on Monday. So with all that being said, let's get into the new deals this week. This week we have a better deal on the Neutrogena makeup wipes. The 25 count are buy 2 and you're going to earn back $7 in extra bucks. Using a 4 off 2 digital coupon for 2 of these, you'd pay $9.98. After the $7 in extra bucks back, it would make 2 of them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. And then make sure to also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards because we do have a points back offer on Fetch for the makeup wipes, so you can get some extra points by submitting your receipts. Dove hand soap is buy one get one 50% off, and buy 2 and you get back $4 in extra bucks. So grabbing 2 at $6.19 would total $9.28, and we do have a $2 digital coupon. Using that, you pay $7.28, get back your $4 in extra bucks, making 2 of these just $3.28. If you like Cetaphil is spend 20 and you're going to earn back $10 in extra bucks on the facial care products. Plus we have a $3 digital coupon and we have some Ibotta rebates. So stacking together the coupon, extra buck, and Ibotta, this could end up being a really good deal for one item that's $20 or more, or maybe 2 items that total $20 or more. So definitely take advantage if you like Cetaphil. I will have Ibotta linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment to get a $5 bonus if you do not already have it. Maybelline Cosmetics are buy 2 and you get back $6 in extra bucks. So you can grab one of the baby lips at $5.79 and one of the lip liners at $9.59. These two would total $15.38. We have a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT as well as a $3 instant CRT that everyone got and a $2 digital coupon. So with those 3, you'd be left to pay $7.38. Getting back the $6 in extra bucks would make both products just $1.38. Really great deal if you have all these coupons and CRTs. I'm a huge fan of L'Oreal mascaras, and I need to restock on my mascara right now, so if you're like me, I think this deal is worth doing. L'Oreal is spend 15, you get back $5 in extra bucks on L'Oreal Cosmetics. So you can grab one of the mascaras that are $15.99, and we do have a $3 CRT that everyone got this week, and we have a 3 off 15 L'Oreal CRT for cosmetics if you have that on your account. So with that, we pay $9.99, get back the $5 in extra bucks, making a over $15 mascara just $4.99. The Neutrogena Cosmetics are spend 10 and you get back $5 in extra bucks. So the cheapest item at my store is the mascara at $11.49, and we do have a $3 digital coupon. So using that, you pay $8.59, get back $5 in extra bucks. That'd make one of these mascaras just $3.49. Revlon Cosmetics are buy 2 and you get back $5 in extra bucks, and we have a $6 CRT. So you can grab 2 of the nail polish at $6.19. Using that CRT, you pay $6.38, get back your $5 in extra bucks, making 2 of these $1.38. Suave deodorant is buy one get one 50% off this week, and buy 2 and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So grab 2 of the powder ones at $3.29, totaling $4.93. And then with this, throw in one of the chapsticks in the checkout area towards the front of the store. So with that $2.19 chapstick, these 3 items would total $7.12. And we do have a 4 off 3 digital coupon that does work on chapstick items and Suave. So using that, you pay $3.12, get back the $3 in extra bucks for buying 2 of the Suave deodorants, making all 3 items just 12 cents. This is an amazing deal. Axe deodorant is buy two and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So grabbing two at $6.99 would total $13.98. And we do have a 7 off 2 digital coupons. Using that, you pay $6.98, get back your $3 in extra bucks, making two of these just $3.98 or $1.99 each. The Gillette and Venus disposable razors are buy one, get one 50% off and buy two and you get back $3 in extra bucks. At my store, the cheapest men's and women's are $8.59. So grabbing two of those, one of each, would total $12.88. We do have a $3 digital for the women's and the men's. So using that, you pay $6.88, get back the $3 in extra bucks, making both of these just $3.88. Colgate toothpaste is on sale for 2 for $8 and buy two and you get back $3 in extra bucks, and we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Using that, you pay $4, get back your $3 in extra bucks, making two of these just $1 or 50 cents each. And we also do have a Fetch Rewards rebate offer, points offer for Colgate toothpaste. So make sure to submit your receipt with the Colgate toothpaste on it into Fetch so you can potentially get some bonus points. Heads up that Axe oral care products are buy two and you get back $7 in extra bucks. You can grab the Act Kids mouthwash. You can also grab the Act Kids toothpaste that are even cheaper than the mouthwash. However, I think most stores don't carry them. Mine does not. And you can also grab these Act gums. I think they're gums as well. They're also buy two and you get back $7 in extra bucks. Next up, we're going to be doing the spend 30 before coupons, and we're going to get back a $10 extra buck deal on laundry and home care products. Okay, first scenario up here is the cheapest possible scenario that I could come up with, grabbing the $4.99 Downy beads. This is just a placeholder. You do not want to grab these ones. You want to grab the unlimited ones. I'll insert a picture of what those look like. They're on sale for $4.99. So grabbing all 4 of these items, a Gain plus detergent, it does have to be the plus one, that's $9.99. A Gain scent beads for $9.99. The Downy, specifically the unlimited scent that's attaching to the $4 digital coupon, that's $4.99. And then one of the Febreze, either the 2 count of the bathroom or the 2 count of the car clips, that are $6.49. These 4 items would total $31.46. We have a $4 digital coupon for the Gain plus detergent, $4 for the Gain scent beads. We have a $4 digital coupon for the Downy beads, even including the ones that are just $4.99. It's a super high value digital coupon. And then we also have a $3 digital coupon for the Febreze. So we pay $16.46, get back our $10 in extra bucks, making all 4 products just $6.46. If your store carries these scent beads, I would definitely throw them into this transaction and do this transaction because that's one of the lowest out of pocket, lowest net cost laundry and home care scenarios that I've seen in a long time. The next cheapest scenario is grabbing the 2 Gain products again, the Febreze bathroom 2 count and the Febreze car 2 count. Both of those Febreze products are $6.49. These 4 would total $32.96 with the $4 digital for the Gain plus detergent, $4 for the Gain scent beads, $3 for the Febreze car clips, and then $3 for the Febreze bathroom 2 count. You would pay $18.96, get back your $10 in extra bucks, making all 4 products just $8.96. I'm going to do this scenario because I feel like it's the best value for what you're getting. Grabbing one of the Gain Plus detergent, the Gain beads, the Dawn Power Wash that's on sale for $5.99, and then either the Febreze bathroom 2 count or car clip 2 count at $6.49 would total $32.46. Using the $4 digital for the Gain Plus detergent, the $4 for the Gain beads, a $2 digital coupon for the Dawn Power Wash that we have, and a $3 for the Febreze, you pay $19.46. Get back the $10 in extra bucks, making all 4 items just $9.46. I think that's a great value for what you're getting. The 75 to 80 count of the Lysol wipes are buy one, get one free, and buy 2 and you get back $3 in extra bucks. At my store, they're priced at $10.79, so you'd pay that for 2 of them, get back your $3 in extra bucks, making 2 of these big packs of wipes just $7.79. And we do have a gift card promotion this week for spend $50 and you get back $10 in extra bucks. It does include DoorDash, which is a brand that's not always included. It also includes Bath & Body Works. It includes Domino's, Fandango, H&M, Bass Pro Shops. It includes Aeropostale, and it also includes Chipotle. So a really great promotion to pick up a gift card and get back some extra bucks to use on your couponing. Okay, so I did a total of, I think it was 6 transactions today, quite a bit. I did 5 rolling transactions, starting with no extra bucks to show true out of pocket. So for this first one, I did the spend 30, get 10 on laundry. So I did the Gain, the Febreze, and the Dawn. My 4 coupons came off, paid $19.46 cash out of pocket, earned back my $10 in extra bucks to use in transaction 2. In this transaction, I did the 2 Neutrogena makeup wipes, used my 4 off 2 coupon and the $10 in extra bucks, so I paid nothing. out of pocket and then earned back $7 in extra bucks that I rolled into transaction 3. In transaction 3, I did the Colgate and the Suave and the chapstick deal. My 2 $4 digital coupons came off, used my $7 in extra bucks to pay, paid 12 cents out of pocket, and then earned back $6 in extra bucks for the Suave and for the Colgate deal that I rolled into transaction 4. Then for transaction 4, I did the Axe deodorant deal, used my 7 off 2 digital coupon and the $6 in extra bucks, paid 98 cents out of pocket, earned back $3 in extra bucks that I rolled into my final transaction. And then for this transaction, just grabbed the Maybelline lipstick, used my $2 digital coupon and my $3 CRT, paid with the $3 in extra bucks, paid 29 cents out of pocket, no extra bucks back, but in total that made all 5 of my rolling extra bucks transactions $20.85, down from like $102 retail. So that was really, really great, over 80% savings. Super happy with this. Again, I will have my rolling extra bucks video for these receipts that represent these receipts edited and filmed and everything and posted tomorrow on Monday. And then I did want to show you guys that along with a bunch of other random stuff that I needed that I grabbed on this transaction, I did do the L'Oreal mascara deal, and my 3 off 15 came off, my $3 instant CRT, and I earned back those $5 in extra bucks. So that was a really good deal for something that I actually needed anyways. We haven't had a lot of good deals on L'Oreal. I always wait for usually coupon, manufacturer coupon, which we didn't have this week, but at least a couple CRT stacking with the extra buck promotion for spend 15 get 5, because usually it's like buy 2 get 5 or buy 2 get 6, and since the items are kind of expensive, it doesn't really help a lot. But whenever this deal rolls around, I always try to pick up my mascara because L'Oreal mascaras are just simply the best. Let me know if you agree. I really hope you guys enjoyed this week's CVS deals video. I will have my rolling extra bucks video posted tomorrow on Monday, and I will catch you guys next week for week 2 of this ad.